Ito na, go.
Yo, what's your good? It's your Mima.
Parang kung yung sa may text, yung ano, parang witch.
Anong text?
Di ba parang yung text yung sa dating mga cellphone?
Hindi ko alam yun. Grabe yan. Hindi ko nga talaga alam.
Hindi daw niya alam.
Hindi ko kasi talaga alam. Saan nga yun?
Wow! Hindi na alam.
Hindi ko nga naririnig yun. Yung
wala.
baby lang na tumatawa ang alam ko.
Maya protect ko sa'yo. Balik sa kanila yun, no? Ay, narinig niyo, di ba? Okay, bakit katalog, di ba? Pakita ko ulit yung video niya kanina. So, parehas. Diba? Tara,
It's your Mima and today we have another reaction. Reaction saan to? Pusuan at laruan mo. Laruin mo ako.
Yeah, today we have Pusuan or Laruan. This channel ni Marion Honor, no? I mean, nag-trending yung mga ilang clip dito, no? So, panoorin natin. I mean, hindi ko pa yung part lang nung ano eh. Totoo nga, di ko nga pinanood ng buo kasi nakaka-orate eh. Yung part ni Englishera.
Englishera?
Hindi. Yung kasi yung spelling eh. S-H-E-R, Englishera. But yeah, we have Pusuan or Laruan. Obviously, kinuha nila to sa mga dating show. May Pop Your Balloon, no? Sa ibang bansa. So,
Channel, pila kay SI?
may ganun din
May
segment.
balon-balon ba sila?
Meron din.
Meron.
So yun, amin na tayo sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas, di ba, pauli sa ganyan, no? So, I mean, wala natin patagalin, no? Ito kasi lang sinasabi.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marion Honor, and today we're going to be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Let's go! Woo! I mean, hindi pa namin kilala itong mga taong to, no? Pero yun, yung babae yun, kailan na yun.
Si Marion yata yan. Ganyan ang boses niya. Oh. Maganda nga boses niya. Trivia. Pamangkin daw yan ni Nora eh.
Nora Honor?
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have this line of beautiful beanies, and we'll also be bringing out an eligible bachelor one by one. So girls, kung napupusuan nyo yung nakikita nyo yung eligible bachelor or you're interested to get to know him more, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung hindi mo siya masyadong vibe, feeling nyo hindi kayo mag-match, go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Alright, let's play Pusuan or Laruan!
Ay, sorry.
Alright, here comes our first sexy single.
Parang boxing eh, no?
Hello!
Hola.
Sexy
Tell
single!
us your name, your age, and your job.
Hola. Good afternoon. So, my name is Josh, and I'm 22, and I am a network engineer.
Totoo.
Hindi, kasi nag-ola. Naalala ko yung Handy Money. Tapos yung, tapos may kahawig siyang Disney, ewan na character, na cartoon. May kamukha siyang cartoon. Sige ikaw, Josh, 22.
Here at one of the highest respectable IT companies here in the Philippines.
Ayaw ba?
Alright, so what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
What I do for fun, I was a former bassist at our band. I was an athlete, former taekwondo player. And
Athlete!
what I like for fun is music, because that is my outlet on what I feel. And I hope
Parang hindi ko maano na athlete siya. Sa
Sa pangangatawan.
siguro dati no. Tapos napagod na siya, tapos nagpahinga na lang siya araw-araw.
O baka naman yung pagiging athlete niya hindi yung parang 'di ba merong na hindi kailangan physical na galaw na ewan. Alam mo yun, nagigets mo?
Chess.
Parang mga ganun. Baka mali.
Taekwondo nga to eh.
you can feel me too.
Alright, so how about your ideal partner? Ano yung mga personality traits na hinahanap mo sa isang partner?
For me, my ideal trait is someone who reciprocates the hard R because I am
Ano?
a golden retriever
Reciprocate
boy,
the what?
so I want some golden retriever gal. So if you would reciprocate, then you will get it.
Okay, and how about
Sabi niya, golden retriever girl?
Mm.
Anong meaning ito?
Baka kasi, ano, yung...
Yung golden retriever ba, parang loyal, gano'n?
Oo, parang may ano siya na...
So, kailangan niya ng aso. Di ba? Aso pala kailangan niya eh.
Because I am a golden retriever boy.
Ah,
so I
golden
want some
retriever
golden
boy.
retriever gal. So
Nahanap
if
niya nga,
you would
ganun din.
reciprocate, then you will get it.
Okay. And how about mga deal breakers mo or if nalaman mo na ganito yung partner mo, ayaw mo na sa kanya?
What I want is honesty, I guess. And ang pinaka pala is the one who respects my time because ayokong binabastos ka, bakit mo ko babastos?
Alright, thank you so much. Alright, so as
Oh.
you can see, we have some pop balloons over here.
We have some. Isa na nga lang natitira eh.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I'm 29 years old and I'm a freelance actress. So I popped my balloon kasi when you mentioned you are a golden retriever guy. Well, hindi ko masasabi na I'm kung anong breed man ako ng dogs. But what I can say is that
Wala.
hindi,
Ikaw, anong breed ka ng dog?
Ako.
Ang gara naman kasi ng ano niya, anong parang analogy niya doon. I'm a golden retriever boy. So I'm looking for a golden retriever girl. Crazy ako. Ang crazy eh.
di ako super mabait.
Ang chihuahua.
So,
Ang chihuahua.
if ever there's a conflict between us, if ever lang, medyo may hirapan tayo doon. The way you talk, parang parang too mabait. I want something like,
Two.
alpha, ganon. So, sorry.
Alright, and is she someone who's your usual type or someone you would go out on a date with?
Sure.
Sure. Up.
So even if sinabi niya na hindi siya golden retriever gal, like maybe she's more of a chihuahua or something. Someone feisty.
Sabi ko ng chihuahua, di ba?
Let's say this is just a facade, but I could make you one, so yeah, sure.
Alright,
Oh
thank you so
shit,
much.
wala na siyang balloon.
Hi, I'm Pao. I'm 28 years old. Currently a clinical clerk in the medical field. So I popped my balloon as soon as I heard his age. So I don't really date younger guys talaga.
Ah, kasi 22 pa lang siya.
Ilan taon na siya?
Oo.
Okay, and is she
Sabi
someone...
natin.
So I popped.
Let's say this is just a facade, but I could make you one, so yeah, sure.
Alright, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Pao. I'm
28.
28 years old. Currently a
Hindi kasi di siya nag-date ng older. Sa mga date siya yung mga ano, ay younger. Nag-date niya mga older, mga 40.
Ano sinabi?
Yung mamatay na, tapos sabi, pera. Joke lang.
medical clerk in the medical field. So I popped my balloon as soon as I heard his age. So I don't really date younger guys talaga. Yun.
Okay, and is she someone who's your usual type or would you go out on a date with her?
No.
Any particular reason kung bakit?
Let's just say the vibe isn't giving, so sure.
It's not giving.
Yes,
Could you be more specific? Like,
someone needs to level up with my sass, with my class. So sure, I don't see it that way. I'm so sorry.
and would you like to say anything in response to that?
That's not very golden retriever of you.
Let's just say I'm just a switch. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sabi ba't ganon?
Hi.
Parang siyang ano, parang di ata babae yung hanap niya.
Eh, switch nga daw siya eh.
parang di babae yung hanap niya eh. Nasa tuloy siya ng babae sa likod.
Meron siyang kabak.
I'm 20.
Kabaklaan.
I'm a barista. So, there's...
Ano daw siya? Barista?
Barista.
Kasi kahit gusto mo bata siya. But siguro the reason that I popped the balloon was I really like how you spoke. Like, parang you bring your courage. Sobrang open mo lang. Pero kasi siguro dun sa part din na golden retriever kahit ka. Tapos ako kasi,
Saan tumakulo?
kasi nasasabi na golden retriever girl ako. Or like,
at times siguro. Pero parang mas gusto ko yung contrast pa rin siya. And feel ko there would be like some conflicts with us kapag parang hindi ko mabibigay yung priority, ganun. And siguro there's no hype for me kasi gusto ko rin siguro mas mataas. Mas matangkad. But nonetheless, okay.
Okay, and do you want to say anything in response to that?
To be honest, the one that I see is, I don't like golden retriever guys. Okay.
So you just accept it as it is?
Sure, we have different preferences, and sure, I respect that, but yeah, it is what it is.
Alright, and is she someone you would go out on a
Wait
date
lang.
with or some...
Yung, kailan ba nauso yung anong yan? Parang, ano mo yung sarili mo sa breed ng aso? Kailan ba nauso yun?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro kasi, hindi ko naman alam kung kailan nauso. Pero meron na kasi kung naririnig kung pag nag-i-introduce yourself. Dati meron akong katrabaho na nung nag-introduce siya, yung trainer kasi namin. Kung i-introduce mo yung sarili mo at parang magde-describe ka ng mga katangian ng sa anong hayop or animal yung ano mo. Siguro kaya ganyan din.
Golden retriever. I'm an Aspin guy. You know. Anong characteristic ng Aspin?
And who's your usual type?
Same answer, no?
Any particular reason why?
Let's just say the sass isn't there, but mindset, I guess. From what I've seen and what I've
Tell me about Sass.
let's say I'm judging it already.
Sassy.
It won't really
Yata.
work.
What kind of sass are you looking for?
Baka nilalagay
in
dito.
an ideal partner?
Sass. No?
Let's just
Kasi
say,
may anong
pretty
bouquet.
much, sabihin na lang natin, I'm a very judgy person.
Ano? Judgy?
Judgy.
This golden retriever.
Halata naman paano siya magsalita.
Okay. So ano yung actual mo na breed? Kung hindi golden retriever pala? Like in the front, baka siya yung chihuahua pala. Because I'm a chihuahua breed, I think.
I'm much of a Doberman.
Okay, Doberman.
Of course.
Is that more like feisty ba? Doberman?
Yes, feisty. Isipin mo na lang sa may feisty, up in your imagination.
Oh my gosh.
So, it is what it is.
What do you mean?
I think it won't really match for me.
Okay. Would you like to say anything in response to that?
Gusto ko rin naman na may sarili na siyang preference. So, it's okay. Nonetheless, din kung magkaroon ng anything, no hard feelings.
Ay,
Alright, thank you so much.
I'm Bea. I'm 20.
Mukhang mali siyang masalihan. Ata doon siya
baka
sa may...
gusto niyang mag-try. Kasi switch eh. Gusto niya mag-try naman sa girl.
Ah.
7 years old and I'm also a barista. The reason why I popped the balloon, yung
barista
age
rin.
natin. Tapos, dun sa golden retriever facade niya, hindi ko gets bakit kailangan mo sabihin na facade yan, tapos sasabihin mo Doberman ka. It's like, nilalako mo lang kami, nilalako mo na yung sarili mo. So, wala po akong makitang parang hindi ko mag-gets.
Oo nga eh.
So yun, sa SAS, okay. At least may preference naman siya, yun. Yun.
And do you want to explain further so they understand it more?
Oh, well, it's a statistic
Let's
that
just say-
there are multiple...
Ano yung salita yun?
Yung parang pinakagusto ko.
Ano nga sabi mo siya? Ganun siya magsalita.
Let's just say,
Girls, by what I've experienced, but yes, of course, just to get to know someone, for sure. Preferences, yes, sass, yes, and you're pretty, you know.
So she is someone that you would have gone out on a date with or type mo siya?
Type yes, going out, not really.
Any reason why?
Let's just say, I think she's a too high maintenance for me.
Whoa.
I mean, I told you I'm a pretty judgy guy. So, basing from her looks, from her style, and from the way he brings herself, pretty much up in the higher echelon of like...
akala ko ba gusto niya makaka-level ng class
Would you like
niya.
to say anything in
Classy,
response to that?
ewan niya.
Hindi naman. Hindi ko naman nagkuha yung high maintenance, so okay lang. Ayun, so...
So, So, paano ito naging high
Okay,
maintenance?
thank you so much.
I'm Ellie, 27 years old, corporate accountant. Nag-talk po ako ng balloon because the age is not giving for me.
Age is not giving.
What?
It's giving too young vibes. Too old for a 22-year-old guy.
Alright, would you like to say anything in response to that?
Ang nakakatawa dito, no? Karamihan sa kanila sinasabi nila na kaya sila nag-pop ng balloon kasi masyadong bata or ano. Pero alam naman natin kung ano talaga yung dahilan eh. Di ba? Parang ano na lang sila.
Pinoy pa.
Oo, gumagawa na lang sila ng reason nila para sila nag-pop ng balloon.
Hindi naman siguro sa gumagawa sila ng reason. Baka yun na lang yung pinaka-highlight ng reason kasi di nila maamin talaga na dahil sa looks.
Siguro sabi nung, di ba, nung unang babae, sabi niya, kasi ano, bata pa sa age. Siguro sabi nung kasunod nun, ay, buto nagkaroon na rin ako ng ano, nagkaroon na rin ako ng reason.
Diba?
Ginaya na lang. No?
Sure. Age is preference of others. Some like it young, some like it older. And I
What do you mean? Preference of others. Some like it young. So, ano pala, pag yung mga pedophile pala, yun yung preference nila.
respect yours.
And is she someone who's your usual type, or would you go out on a date with her?
Not really.
Is there any particular reason why?
I think too skinny for me.
So your usual type is more...
Actually, it's nasa bit chubbier. Just a tiny little bit.
Oh, okay. Alright. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Ilan na lang, dalawa na lang. Nakakalima na siya. Nakakasar naman. Kailangan bang hintayin in any particular reason? Bakit di mo siya... Hindi na lang dire-diretsuhin kung ba't yes, no, bakit. Hindi na i-defend agad.
I'm Ali. I'm 28 years old. I work at an ad agency. So actually, I popped it because, yun nga, younger and in terms of height. But then, I was gonna ask for a balloon back because taekwondo, I used to do taekwondo din before. And you said you're a golden retriever. I'm also a golden retriever. But the thing is, I'm looking for someone na black cat energy. Because I'm very overwhelming as a person.
What? I'm a golden retriever. He's a golden retriever, but I'm a, black cat?
Energy. Anong meron sa black? Ano bang meron na energy sa black cat? Kung ganun, kung literal.
Hindi ko alam. Ba't
Ang energy lang na alam ko doon, yung nabibigay niyang energy sa tao na pag dumaan siya sa harap, matatakot yung tao, mamalasid daw.
Ba't pinapano nila? Complicate nila yung dating. May mga ganyan pa. Nagiging ng aso po sana yung tao. Eh, no?
May daga na dyan.
I want dagang bukid boy. So I'm looking for dagang bukid girl.
Person, I have high energy. Like, everyone knows this. So, I feel like baka ma-overwhelm ka sa akin or something like that. So, I can be a bit too strong sometimes.
And is there anything you'd like to say in response to that?
Directly, tapatin na kata, to be honest, I had sights on you. Sadly, it didn't work out for you. The energy,
daw?
I can tolerate all the rangeness in my body, but
Ano daw sabi?
what I can make
Meron na I had stuff from you and sad to say it didn't work out.
Directly, tapatin na kata, to be honest, I had sights on you. Sadly, it didn't
I
work
had
out for
what?
you.
Sights?
The energy, I can tolerate all the rangeness in my
Last.
Directly, tapatin na kata, to be honest, I had sights on you.
Wala.
Sadly, it didn't work out for you. The energy, I can tolerate all the rangeness in my body.
Tsaka lumabas yung subtitle eh. No?
Directly, tapatin na kata, to be honest, I had sights on you.
Oh, sights.
Sadly, it didn't
Ah.
work out for you. The energy, I can tolerate all the rangeness in my body, but I can make space for you. That's it.
Ay naman ka na. Golden Retriever guy and Golden Retriever gal. Are you sure you don't want your balloon back?
I'm okay. Black cat talaga. Sorry.
Black cat ang hanap mo.
Yeah, pero black cat.
But you're a Golden Retriever gal. Okay. you got it. Alright. Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Jen. I'm 26 years old and then I work in the advertising industry. So basically, I have the same reasons with the other girls. First is Because he's younger, so I just prefer guys who are taller. And then
Ginaya na lang.
I radiate more of on the black cat energy versus golden retriever, so I don't think it's the right match. Given his preferences when it comes to choosing a partner. That's it.
Do you have anything to say in response?
It's fine because I'm allergic to cats as well. And ayun lang, she really kind of Mika-like vibe. So, it sad didn't work out, but it's
Ano
fine.
pala te?
Thank you for
Ano yun?
thank
Bini.
you.
Bini.
But
Bloom.
if ever is she your
SB
type
masasabi
or
ko.
someone you
Bloom
would go on a
fans.
date
Oh,
with?
definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. So unfortunately, all of the balloons have popped, but thank you so much for joining us. I hope that you can join us again for future episodes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, next.